Yeah, good day, guys. How you guys doing? So, I'm gonna be showing you yesterday, which was January 20th, 2025 trades, and the week. I shared a strategy, and I told you this strategy can give you 10, all right, using the 10 seconds. So, and I explained how you could use the 1 minute entry, and this is what I've been using since last week, and I've been having good risk reward using it. You don't have to even go to the 10 seconds. You can still use the 1 minute and 5 minutes. So what would we do this today? So I'll just check yesterday, Monday. So this was yesterday, Monday. Remember what I said that you want to see when you wake up, probably 7 a.m. GMT, +1. You want to see what is the market doing in it on the 2 hour time frame. So you can see this was a bullish IFM, sorry, engulfing candle. So meaning the market is bullish. So I mark this as my 2 hours. So what do? I go straight to the 5 minutes. All right. So on the 5 minutes, what do? I want to confirm the bullish trend. So what happened was this. So see what happened. Now on the 5 minutes, remember we start trading either on this particular 7 a.m. London time, or you can start earlier, much earlier, 6. But I started mostly from London time. So you can see price broke this zone here, and the first touch inside the zone, the 5 minutes, confirms the trend. So you can see this was the confirmation, and you want to see price tap into it again on the 1 minute. So let's go to the 1 minute. I know it looks messy, right? But let's just quickly check the 1 minute time frame. This was yesterday trade. I had about I think with other peers there were some losing trades, maybe three, um, three losing trades. One gave me two to 3 hour. Then this one gave me 90 hour. So I'm gonna show you now. So this was the 1 minute. So remember the strategy was. So I'm gonna link down the strategy video if you've not seen it. And once the 1 minute tap into the 5 minute zone, you break, you mark your engulfing. Then now I told you normally on my 10 seconds, I goes down to the 10 seconds, blah blah blah. But you don't have to do that, right? If you don't have the 10 seconds. So just mark the 1 minute that has touched the 5 minute, and the 5 minutes is touching the 2 hours. Or sometimes they can all be inside the 2 hours. So but they must touch each other, all right? Just to confirm, yes, that there's liquidity. So now once the price comes back to the 50% of that 1 minute zone, you place a limit. Yeah, wait for price to come to the 50%, and your stop loss is gonna be the 5 minute low, the 5 minute engulfing you mark that gave you that um, trade. This will explain. Yeah, price went up to this point, like let's see how many I did, about 2 hours, right? So you could break even from the towards the 5 minute high, you can break even. So if you didn't break even, this would have been a losing trade. But let's say we broke even. So most likely I'm gonna break even when price touch here. So I'll just allow it to, so price came back, took us out. So what did we do? The next thing what happened was, so the price that took us out was this, and it formed a new engulfing, and this was it. The 50% of it was here. I took it, and my stop loss was just below it, and price just took it. So now the this prices on the 5 minutes, they were just wicks, right? So they didn't break the 5 minute area. You can see they were just rejections. So the 5 minutes don't still valid, just that market was just manipulating and taking some stop loss. Of course, market knows that there'll be buy orders there, so if you put your stop loss just below there, it's just going to take you out. But if you put it a little bit further, yeah, you're gonna have be safe. But let's just just for straightforward strictness. And of course, even at this, the stop loss was still a little bit below. Yeah, so price took us out, right? No issues. What happened again was that price formed a new trade, a new zone here. So and the 50% was here. So just mark it. So price came to tap it, the 50%. So I know it's so messed up, but you can see this area, this one that I formed, this was a new area, and you can see price tap into it here. And your stop loss is just gonna be below it, or you could just make it you can make it 1 pip and see what price did. So at this area you break even. Then now when do you close? See what price did. Price just went crazy. So I close. I don't really have TP until I have TP once. Okay, if I see I hold my trade until like 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock this area. There's a reason it's a Q zone. So I hold my trade most times at 4 o'clock, or at this point, once you see this, what was the risk to reward here now? I think this is 100 risk to reward. So once you see 100, you can just take it like, because it's price pushed up. Yeah, so price pushed up from here to this point. How many risk to reward was that? So you can, what you just do is that, so why? Because price can still come back and take you out, right? So because of that, and I'm still waiting, and time was just till 1:30. So I stopped taking trade at 2:30, and I'll not take trade higher. I'll take, if I'm look for buy, I'll look for buy lower. So because here is higher, I'll not take any of this trade. Just only this trade will be on. So you can just move break even towards, maybe this was 75. So you can just make it at 50 and leave your stop loss here. Then wait until 16 o'clock, or you can just trail your stop loss. So once price breaks this high, once price breaks this high, you can put your stuff here. Once price broke here, you put it here. And yeah, so price was just playing around there, or you can just take it up to this point. So for me, I'll just hold it on to 16 GMT, which was about 100 hour. So that was a trade, and today I'm currently on a trade right now. Today we're about, there are a few trades that are on. Let me just show you now. I'm not gonna go top down. So this trade, I didn't really take it because of the stop loss was too large, but it's followed a signal. This would be a setup. This is a trade that I'm on, this Bitcoin trade here. So we're still holding it on break even. Then I think I didn't see any trade yet. So waiting for price to come here to form 1 minute, and Euro USD no trade. These are the four pairs I trade. Okay, so these are the four pairs. I think Euro USD is coming back. So let's see 2 hours was here. Okay, so let's allow this to close, because now how do I mark the 2 hours? So I can mark this, confirm a bearish, here is bearish. Now this is a engulfing fail, so I mark this whole zone too for a retest, even if it comes to this part. But this part is, but I don't use engulfing fail for direction, only the regular engulfing for direction. But I use the fail and the regular one for zone, right? After the regular one has given us the direction. So in the next 1 minute, this candle will close. If it closes this way, this will be my new zone. If it doesn't close this way, if it goes up here, because it didn't close here, so this will just be the zone. I'll be waiting for price to tap here. So I'll just wait for the next 1 minute. But that will be now all for the video. Just a quick trade breakdown. I'll be doing this regularly, so you continue using this strategy. So peace out. The next video is gonna be for I have a like 80-90% win rate of binary for those of you that trade binary. So watch out for the next strategy video. All right, thank you. And also join the Telegram channel, subscribe on the YouTube. I post signals, also limit other signals, a different strategy for the team. And yeah, peace out.